Hello everyone, myself Avichal Mohit, and in this session we are going to learn how to create Google quiz and to send the automatically generated certificates to the participant. So first of all, you have to go to Google Forms to search for forms and click enter. Click on the first option. This will redirect you to your forms page. Click on blank. When you click on blank, a new form will appear on your screen. First of all, give it a name. Today is Monday. Today is Monday, na? So let us rename it as Monday quiz and then enter. So we have just renamed the quiz. This is Monday quiz. You can add some description. For example, I am adding quiz on Monday by being scholar. Okay. So now you have to add question. Click on this to add question. Add your first question. Who is the Prime Minister of India? You can add options over here. Option 1, enter Narendra Narendra Modi D. Trump. Third option, you can click on add option for that. Add both of them and add a fourth option which is none of these. So this is the nature of question, that is this is a multiple choice question. Now click on required and make it a required question. So this is a question we just added. In order to make this a quiz, first of all click on setting, then go to quizzes and switch on make this a quiz, then save this. So here you can see that now answer key option has come. So click on this option, select the correct answer, enter the points just like as we done in Edmodo, 5 points, then click on done. In order to add more question, you have to click on plus button, select the nature of the question. For example, you can add any type of you can add you can add any type of the question, but I am again entering multiple choice question. Let the question be, what is the capital of India? Add options. New Delhi, New Delhi, Bahadurpur, Ajmer, Nainital. So here are 4 options. Just select the right option, which is New Delhi. Assign marks. So I am assigning 5. I have 5 points. Click on done. Make this a required question. So you can see that I have entered 2 questions here. Let us add one more question. Capital of Bihar? Question mark. First option, Patna. Second option, Ara. Third option, Purnia. And fourth option, Champaran. Now we have to select the right option. So the right answer is Patna. I am assigning 5 points again. Click on done. Make this a required question. So in this quiz, I have created 3 questions. Now let us design this. You can choose a header image. Click on choose image. You can choose any image from this. For example, I am finding this image more attractive. So I have to click on this image. Then click on insert. So here you can see that the image I just selected is automatically inserted as my header image. Now I can also change the theme. Here you can see that theme is changed. I can also change background color. So background color is also changed. You can also change the font style. Okay. So after doing a lot of things to our quiz, let us now change its settings. Let us limit it to one response. Presentation, nothing. Confirmation message. You can enter confirmation message on your own. You will receive your certificate shortly. Now click on save. Now let us understand how to add certificates to our Google quiz. For that, click on this button, select add-ons. Then you have to search for Certify M add-on. You can see Certify M add-on is available here. So click on this option, click on install, click on continue. The Certify M add-on is used to send certificate automatically to the participants. Click on allow. You have to give the add-ons permission in order to perform functions. Click on done. Cross this. So here you can see that in your Google quiz an add-on button is now appearing. So click on this add-on button. Click on Certify M. Click on show Certify M controls. Here you can see that a dialog box of Certify M is now appeared. It's loading. You first have to agree to terms and services. Click on confirm. Here you can see that certification is off. Now, in order to give certificate, you have to take the details of the participant. Here you saw that we have just created the questions. So in order to take details, click on this plus button, enter name here, make this a required question, click on plus, then enter department here, department, make this a required question, then add institution so that the participant can enter their institution name. Again, make it a required question. So now you can see that the forms is demanding the name, the department, the institution. After entering these personal details, the participant will answer the questions. Now again, let's back to certify m. You can add this, 1 second, I just need to mention one more thing. You just saw that I have entered this name, department and institution section later, just to show you how the certify-m works. But whenever you create a quiz, you have to add this at very first step of creating the quiz, which means first of all you have to add name, department, institution, then after you have to add questions. Now let us go back to certify-m, turn on the certification. Here you can see that certification is on. You can adjust the passing percentage. I am fixing the percentage to 40%. Here you can select a template from a wider range of templates available, or you can use a custom template. For that you have to click on that. This will redirect you to this option. Click on select a new file. Here you can see that these are the slides I have created in my Google Slides. So let me take you back to Google Slides. So in Google Slides, I just created a slide of this type. At the top, I have added an image. Then I wrote this information. This is to certify that Mr. Mrs. Just keep in mind that you have to write these identifiers, means full name or other identifier or other identifier too. Let me explain what these things are. Full name means the name the participant will the name the participant will write in Google form. Other identifier means the question you asked after the name, as we asked a department. The other identifier too means the third question we asked, as we asked about the institution name. Now has completed. The title here means the title of the quiz with a passing score of percent. This percent means the percentage of marks the participant will gain after completing the quiz. The certificate ID is a unique certification ID given by Certify-M to each and every participant. So if you so I would suggest you to take the screenshot of this image, so that you can create a certificate of your own in your Google slide. You just have to add these things within this curly braces. For example, two curly braces, full name, then again two curly braces, other identifier, then again two curly braces. So in this manner, you can create a certificate of your own. Now get back to Google Forms. Here you can see that this is the certificate I just showed you in Google Sheets. Click on this. Click on Save Changes. Now you can see that the template is changed to certificate demo, which is my certificate I just created in Google Slide. Now just minimize this. Click on Send button. I'm inviting my student Mukul Dikshit. I'm entering his mail ID dikshitmukul01@gmail.com. Then click on Send. So whenever he will open his email, answer the quiz, and if he gets passing marks, he will get the certificate. Now let us let us verify this out. Click on this preview button. Enter your mail ID. For example, I am entering mine fdpbsyt@gmail.com. Entering my name, Avichal Mohit. Next option, my department. Department is education. Next, my institution, which is NCERT. Now let's answer the questions. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi. What is the capital of India? Let us answer this wrong. I have selected Ajmer. What is the capital of Bihar? Let us answer this right. Patna. Then click on Submit. Here you can view your score. Click on View Score. I just got 10 out of 15 points. So if I get more than passing percentage, I will receive the certificate. Now let's go check my mail. I have just got a certificate. Let us preview this. So here you can see that this is to certify that Mr. Avichal Mohit, Department of Education at NCERT, has completed with a passing percent of 67%. So in this manner you understood that how to create a certificate, how to send a certificate. Let us tell me one more thing. Go back to Google Quiz. You can read the responses sent by the participants. Now there is one more way to send this quiz. Click on send button. If you don't want to send this quiz via email, just click on this button, shorten URL, copy this URL. So the URL has been copied. You can send this URL by pasting it in Gmail. For example, I'm sending this to one of our participants, Sankalp Sharma. Subject is quiz. Now let us paste this. So you see that link is just pasted. Click on send, view message. So whenever Sankalp Sharma opens his mailbox, he will see a link. When he click on this link, he will directly go to the quiz. When he will answer the quiz, he will get a certificate with a passing mark. So this was all about how to send certificate in Google Quiz and how to create a Google Quiz. Thank you so much.